Hello everyone. Today we're going to do a commission problem. So let's get started. The first step, of course, as always, is to read the problem. What is the total amount of commission paid to the selling firm on the sale of a $457,000 home if an 8% commission is split 60 for the listing and 40 for the selling between the two firms? All right, well, now that we've read the problem, our next step is to do it. Some of you look at the problem and you know exactly what to do. You're going to take this $457,000, you'll multiply it by 8%, and that's going to give you $36,560. And then we'll take that $36,560, multiply it by 40%, and that would give us an answer of $14,624. There you go. Now, I also know there's some of you that are going to look at this problem and say, I had no idea where to start. And if that is the case, that's when you want to use a T-bar, and that would look like this. Our first step would be to make a T-bar. And the easiest thing to place in a T-bar is usually going to be our rate, and the first rate we come to is 8%. We need to now label our rate. So this is going to be a rate of commission. And if that is a rate of commission at the bottom, up top, we're going to put amount of commission. And over here on the left, we're going to label that the sales price, because we know a commission is a portion or a part of or a section of our whole, which is what we're going to get paid. So hopefully that makes sense to you. And we know from the problem our sales price is $457,000. We've got 2 out of 3 in this T-bar, so what we're going to do is multiply, and we find out our amount of commission is $36,560. The problem is asking us for how much the selling firm made, and what we found was the total commission. So when you do a T-bar and it doesn't work, or you figure out that's not what you're actually looking for, then your next step is to make another T-bar. And the same thing happens. The next thing to put in there is the rate. Now we've got 2 more rates in this problem. We've got the 60%, which is going to the listing agent or the listing firm, and we've got the 40% going to the selling firm. And since we know we're looking for what the selling firm is going to make, we're going to go ahead and put 40% here, because that is our rate of selling commission. And that means up top I'm going to put amount of selling commission. And again, this commission is a portion of the total commission. Now, lucky for us, we just found the total commission right up here. So we're just going to put the $36,560 down here. We've got 2 out of 3, and when we multiply, we'll figure out that 40% of $36,560 is $14,624, and that is exactly what we're looking for. The amount of selling commission, it says how much is getting paid to the selling firm, that's our final answer. So a word of advice: when you get on this test, you will see both answer choices, and you want to make sure that you use the $14,624. That is what is going to be the right answer. Don't fall for the $36,560. Just because you see it doesn't mean it's the final answer. Check your work, look at what they're asking, and go from there. I hope this helps, and as always, if you have any questions, please reach out to me, whether it's in the comments or via email, Facebook, whichever. Bye.